Good morning, Prep 1. We are going to study our lesson today in geometry. I will be with you. My name is Miss Samah. Let's start the lesson together. Our lesson today is talking about triangles. Specifically, congruent triangles. Okay, we have taken before in the class what is the meaning of congruence. Today we will take the cases of congruent triangles. We have 4 cases. Today we will take 2 cases, and in the second lesson we will take the third and the fourth case. Okay, we have 2 triangles here. A, B, C, and the second triangle D, E, F. Our first case here is talking about side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. يعني ايه؟ يعني 2 sides and included angle between them. 2 sides and included angle between them. 2 sides and included angle between them. Okay, let's say AB, BC, and angle B. Angle B is between these 2 sides. Side DE, side EF, and angle E. Here we have 2 sides and included angle. Okay, هكتب كده in two triangles ABC, comma DEF. What do I have? I have side AB. What is the corresponding side to AB in the second triangle? I have AB, corresponding side is DE. I have the symbol of congruency, 3 lines under each other, like that, like this. Okay? Congruent to DE. I said side AB congruent to side DE, comma. Side CB congruent to side FE. Okay? I have these 2 sides. What is the included angle here in these 2 triangles? Measure of angle in congruency we don't write measure. Okay? We write angle B congruent to angle E. What is the meaning of congruency? The length of AB equals the length of DE, and the length of CB equals the length of FE. Measure of angle B equals measure of angle E. Okay, if I have these 3 elements in these 2 triangles, what should I do? I will say then, if I have these 3 elements, I will say what then? These 2 triangles are what? Are congruent. Okay? These 2. Then these 2 triangles, triangle ABC and triangle congruent to triangle DEF. Angle A corresponding بتاعها A, angle D. Angle B corresponding angle B corresponding بتاعها E. Angle C corresponding بتاعها F. Okay? If I have these 3 elements, I will say directly these 2 triangles are congruent. What should I deduce after that? I will deduce that AC, the length of AC equals the length of DF. Okay? I will say معنى كده خلاص أنا عندي خلاص 2 triangles are congruent. I will say what? Side AC congruent to side DF. Right? Side AC congruent to side DF. And what? What else? Angle D congruent to angle A. Angle C congruent to angle F. And that's it. This is the first case. side, angle, between, included angle and side, side, angle, side, two sides and included angle. If I have this case, so I will say these two triangles are congruent. Let's take the second case together. Second case, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Two angles من اسمها angle side angle, يعني two angles and side, the included side, and the side connects between their vertices. Triangle اهو. This is first triangle, let's call it ABC. Second triangle, let's call it DEF. Here is the case here is talking about angle B, angle C, and the included side. And the side connects between their vertices. Here I have in these two triangles what I have angle B congruent to what? What is the corresponding angle here? Angle E. Okay, comma. يبقى this is angle. تمام. CB side CB congruent to side FE. Okay, this is called side. Comma. Angle C congruent to angle F. It's called angle. So the case here, angle side, angle. If I have this case, so I will say then triangle ABC congruent to triangle sorry DEF. Okay, what should I deduce here? That angle A congruent to angle D. Side AB congruent to side DE, comma, side AC congruent to side DF. Okay. So this is the second case, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Okay. So I have two cases. We have taken today two cases, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. And second case, angle, side, angle. Okay, let's take exercise on this. On these two cases. Simple exercise. And you will continue the exercises in the class, okay? Okay. The question here says what? Show if they are congruent or not. Okay. Let's see here our first triangle. Here. This was the first one. Second one here. Okay. The first one says what? Says I have this angle. He marked this angle and this angle. Okay, these two corresponding angles are equal. He says to me that these two corresponding angles are equal. and this side equal to this side, corresponding sides. Okay, and this side corresponding to this side. It's okay. These two sides are equal. What should I do? تعالوا كده review these two cases I have. تعالوا كده side angle side and angle side angle. تعالوا كده نشوف two triangles دول. satisfy any of these cases or not. شوف كده. ده في عندي two sides فعلا وعندي one angle، معنى كده ان انا عندي ممكن هنا عشان هو side angle side two sides مديني two sides and one angle اهو two sides and one angle. But I have in the case the angle must be included angle between these two sides. تعالوا كده المفروض بين two sides دول المفروض الانجل تبقى فين؟ تبقى هنا صح؟ المفروض الانجل تبقى هنا. طب هي الانجل هنا؟ no، هو مديني الانجل دي البعيدة دي. معنى كده ان two triangles دول satisfy any case that we have taken. Okay, no. So they are not congruent. Okay? Why the angle is not included between these two sides? Because the angle is not included between these two sides. Okay, let's take our second example. Okay, here I have side, two sides and one angle. Okay, I have two cases, side, angle, side, angle, side, angle. هنشوف كده نشوف عندي two sides، يبقى ادور هنا side angle side. حلو جدا. تعالوا كده نشوف هل هي satisfy the first case ولا لا. تعالوا نشوف side corresponding بتاعه angle included اهي. I have these two sides included angle اهي. معنى كده ان ال two triangles دول are ايه؟ are congruent. يبقى انا هقدر هنا هكتب ايه يا جماعه؟ they are congruent. Okay, they satisfy what? What is the case? Side, angle, side. Okay, this is the case. Okay, you will solve several examples on this lesson in the class, and we will take the left two cases in the next lesson. Goodbye.